Alright guys, so this was my first attempt at stickers. I learned a lot with basically what not to do. And you don't want your sticker pile to look like mine. This turned into nothing but a bunch of kindling. We're going to clean up this pile. These things roll, twist, all kinds of stuff. And the number one thing I learned with that is getting it weighted. And when you're cutting stickers, leave some gap between your stickers. Make them, do a 4 foot, whatever, and then crisscross your patterns. Get it weighted down, get it in a place where they can dry slowly, and they will twist a lot less. And you won't end up with a pile like this.